so I'm gonna give you a quick empty apartment, a tour, semi-empty, because honestly we just moved right in and we've been staying here. So it's some of our stuff is in here, obviously, because I have kids and we need some more things. A lot of our things are still in storage, so I'm just moving it slowly but surely. But here is my living area. Here's my front door. I have my alarm system. I have to get another one as well. But here is my living room. I love it. It's a perfect size for us. I'm so thankful. Here's a picture of my dad. I'm trying to figure out where I want it, because I want to like a really nice area for his picture. But that's my dad. Hey, Daddy. I got this picture for Christmas 2 years ago from my mom. So love it. I actually took that photo. We were at my family reunion and we were sitting next to each other, and yeah. So here is a closet right here. So everything is everywhere, guys, so please don't judge me. I literally just moved in and we're still getting things together. But here I just made this, the kids, our designated shoe area for now. It's gonna be way more organized. I'll do another whole separate video once all the furniture is in and things are organized. But for now, broom, mop bucket, shoe closet for now, so they can just come in. And they actually kind of have a habit now. They bring their shoes in there when I tell them to or whatnot. So here is my half bathroom. So here's the hallway. Here is the half bathroom. I'm not gonna get in because I don't want y'all see me, I'm perming my hair, but I'm gonna turn the light on. And the lighting is amazing in here, so that'll be good for vlogs. I'm definitely gonna do the bathroom. I have the colors I want for this bathroom. I just gotta pick up everything. And as far as Amazon, they've been playing with my address and stuff like that with my packages. So I had to stop ordering because they kept giving me the runaround. So we're working on figuring out what's the issue with them with my packages. But for now, it's just a regular towel, just to make it not look so empty. And then the sink, the mirror, plug-in, plenty of drawers for things that, you know, the kids will need or whatever when we're down here. So this is the bathroom. Love it, love it, love it. Over here is junky because, like I said, we came from storage. But it's a storage closet, so this will be my Christmas trees and decorations and seasonal things. I'm gonna get like bins and organize this area. But for now, the kids they hide in here, and it's just a few boxes because my documents and whatever I just grab quickly from storage. Don't mind that. I have 5 kids. Somebody put, what was that? They put candy on there. So I'm slowly unpacking. So I go through each bag and put things where they belong. Those are my my packing labels, chairs. So basically just junk. But this is just a storage unit. So much space. I love it, love it, love it. My little meter, whatever, thermometer thingy, I forgot what it's called. Thermostat, there you go. I think that's what it's called. And then this is just a boiler room. Here is my outlet thingy. The kitchen is a mess, but it's coming along. I bought a brand new microwave. I'm gonna show you guys because I bought a brand new microwave from Walmart. It actually wasn't that much money and it was broken. This was literally sealed. So what happened was, I think the people either packing it on the shelves or in the truck dropped it and then just still brought it back in. So because it was completely sealed and it was broken. So that's going back probably, definitely, most likely today. I got a knife set. I got a little knife set here. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Here is just another box I'm unpacking. We just moved in, guys, so it's just been chaos. That's another reason why I've been MIA, but I still been getting little things at a time when I go to Walmart, because I still want to make it homey for me and the kids while we're here. So I'm just buying as I can, you know, getting things unpacked, because I don't want to overbuy, because I still have things from my old place. But it's definitely way more space for us, and I'm so thankful to God. You guys have no idea. But in here is just some of my seasonings that I always go like shopping and I'm buying just stuff. So here is just some of my seasonings that I pack with me. Oh, that's Royal. She's up. So I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, okay, so I just got back from the doctor's office. I was gonna film on my way there, but I was in a rush because childcare situation. So I had to rush back so my mom could, you know, we could switch out. You know, I had appointment, she had appointment, so we had to like switch out. But anywho, I'm ready home. The babies are okay. I'll update you later on what they are. I am currently 16 weeks, so this is like a baby update / little mini vlog. I don't know, but the babies are good. I am currently 16 weeks. I'll be 17 weeks on. Oh, I'm out of breath. I just had to run up the stairs to chase Roy because she likes going up the stairs, and I have a little. I forgot to put the baby gate, so she loves sneaking up the stairs. But the gate is up now. What else? So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I'm 16 weeks, pregnant with twins. I'm gonna give you a belly shot. Let's see, let me go over here. So let me give you a belly shot. So just like, just space. So here's the belly shot. Here's my boot. Here's my belly. Here's Royal. Say hi. Say hi. So here's my belly. Here's it from the front. I usually do it in the bathroom with the mirror, but I wanted to vlog this journey. I am 16 weeks, like I said, with twins, and everything looks good. They're measuring 5 ounces, so it's just been nerve-wracking, but now that I'm getting bigger and they're getting bigger, it's a little bit more easier to, it's like sometimes right there in my mouth, but it's not. I don't know. That was eating chips, sorry. Careful. So what else? So yeah, I'm working on looking for a living room set. I have the little wristband from the appointment, but I'm working on getting a living room set. I just don't want to spend too much, so I'm not rushing. Slowly but surely, I'll be furnished. But for now, I'm in the living room in here. Mama, daddy picture. Hi, mama. So that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and make something to eat. I had made, it was Father's Day yesterday, so I had cooked. I made, I'm out of breath. My brother came up, so I was cooking anyway. My brother came up, he bought the boys their bikes, so they were so happy. They got, the 2 older ones got a new bikes. The little ones have like 4-wheelers. It's just still in storage. Like I said, I still have so many more things in storage that I have to get out, but I've been getting out slowly but shortly because I'm not trying to pay an arm and a leg for it. We had movers move us the first time. It wasn't expensive, but it was expensive. So we had moved into our stuff into storage, and then we moved like a couple days, a week later. So, whew, I'm out of breath. So, let me back the camera up. So, what else? So, yeah, what was I saying again? I'm all over the place. I'm listening to Kyra when I'm upstairs. I'm kind of like all over the place. The 2 big ones are in school. Today is field day. So I packed their lunch. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all me making their lunch. And it was just, in my head, I'd be having a whole vlog ready for y'all. And then I'd just be like, in the moment, hurrying up, packing lunch, packing up their bathing suits, packing up their towels, and changing clothes, and da da da. And I'd be forgetting, but I'd be wanting to film all that for y'all. And then I left my phone upstairs, and y'all can hear I'm out of breath from walking from here to there. So y'all can just imagine me going downstairs. What are y'all doing? Let me go check them because they be too busy. But the boys are at field day. Tomorrow's their last day of school. They have a half a day today and they have a half a day tomorrow. So, and they up there playing. I'm gonna get them and then I'll be back in a minute. Y'all hear them? I got boys, y'all, and they love to wrestle and play fight. But I'll be talking to y'all in a minute. Let me get them.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping it between long days, warm nights, gliding like kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, right around June 21st. And ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year right around June 21st. And ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Linen dresses, straw masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st. And ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year right around June 21st. And ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Linen dresses, straw masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine.